So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we having course Artificial Intelligence Concepts and Techniques. So in this course in this video I'm going to cover the week 4th assignment 4th. So let's come to the first question. Proportion Proportional logic deals with it deals with true or false statements. Then come to the second one, which logic use predicates and quantifiers. So predicate logic, option B. Then come to third one, what is forward chaining? So forward chaining is like reasoning from facts to solutions, option A. Then come to fourth, forward chaining is also called data-driven reasoning, option A. Then come to fifth, translate the following statement and into FOL for every A. If A is a philosopher, then A is a scholar. So the right one option is A is a philosopher and belongs to scholar A. So option A is correct. Then come to sixth one. How do you represent all dogs have tails in FOL? So all dogs have tail goes to tail X. So the option A. Then come to actually not option A is correct. Actually option B. A for all X. Y do dog X tail Y has tail X and Y. Then come to seventh one. Consider the statement and in this option 16 is option C. Then come to eighth, which form is called the conjunction of the disjunction junction of literals. So conjunctions normal form, option B. Then come to ninth one, which of the following is not a style of inference? So modus ponens, option 4. Then come to 10th, negotiation of proportion. This function is, so option B is the right one. Then submit the answer, and we have done this assignment. So please subscribe the channel and hit the like button, and thank you for watching this video. मिलते हैं next week में, which is week 5th, and thank you once again.